Alright, my people. Greetings to everyone. So, on a quick one, video, video, and not just a video, but here we have Basarabai and Nange, very, very important in our brothers. But one of the different securities, operating over this time around. And I believe that Nabaka Akon young man or and the enemy of Bodaya now. Away anything of Bulabo, Apotrach or Muronwe, and that's Muronwe for the good of everybody. Not just for personal interest, or for personal interest. Oye ndumazi na ndikala gagwe na ego diko wazirike na ndotie. Na ele kanga. Igwa gonke wezoku. Okwi through the recent news secretary online now from the wife of ex-president Buhari. Buhari. Okay, for recent news, how many the amount of money dear offer Mazin Ndikalo, Mazin Ndokukano, but the demand decline here. Why? Billions of dollars, not in naira. Is it not up to 600 billion of dollars, not in naira, with monthly allowance of 300 million every month to be paid to Mazin Ndikalo, but still that man declined that offer. Why? Just for the freedom of you and I. For the freedom of you and I. It can be. They lose all the family, parents here, plus 1 year. Look like forget their family no sacrifice ya. Reject ya a lot of offers. But no abu one working securities in Nigeria. In short, can you that offer you book on nile? Can you that offer and claim money protect ala alibo money but all these securities are created seasonal. Yeah, all these securities Nigeria created seasonal alibo. Can you this $600 billion offer with the 300 million allowance every month? Can you this offer nebu kola alibo nebu kola in short no get white proof even community out the whole Anambra gago. But yet Mado decline this offer for your good. Mado decline this offer for your good. Come you when it can be. Not because of 150,000 naira monthly payment in Busirebe. Chutankok. Une Busirie. Na luso munogo. Ogo munne. Nda ndo yoruba chibole na inochi. Nda usa chibole na inochi. Take even the fulani se ba chibole na. Nda fulani chibole na inochi ndibu. Mba chibole inochi. Onye mena nyi here. How do we get here? Ndi igbo li ha na-eme biko na li ha na-eme. Ndi igbo le ni ha na-eme maka obodo ya na-agbazi manya mmiri. Ele ni ha na-eme ndị Igbo. What are we doing? Ele ni ha na-eme. Ele onye mere anyị ihe ndị Igbo, ele onye mere anyị ihe. Ele ha jiri chọ, ele ha jiri me accept ka ịdị ka ọnụ ndị ụwa na kai. Ndị Igbo ele ha jiri me accept ka ịdị ka ọnụ ndị ụwa na kai. What is happening to us ndị Igbo? Is this a cause or what? Ndị Igbo, the ancient people, the beginning of human race, ndị Igbo na amakwa ihe ọnụ bụ. First of all, another secondly, our brothers in the Udo-Ga-Achi and Udo-Ga-Achi and all these things. Now lose on the IPOB. Yes, I call it in the IPOB. Because all the name on this group, Udo-Ga-Achi and Udo-Ga-Achi. What is IPOB? IPOB is Igbos in general. Biafrans in general. Even you yourself, you are an IPOB. Indigenous people of Biafra. That is what the IPOB means. Indigenous people of Biafra. Meaning that the indigenous people of Biafra are the Igbos, generally. Then, if you are among all these Udo-Ga-Achi, Ebubago, Akodo, Aguna Chamber, all this group, you are working against. Why I said that you are working against IPOB. Fighting against IPOB is that you are fighting against your people. Because ESN they are your people. They are your brothers. They are IPOB. Now, who are they? They are the securities of Biafrans. How are the securities of Ndibo? Security Mazin Ndikalo created can help protect Yabai. Due to plans in the long due to plans in the to take over our land, to Islamize the Biafra land. Or any other thing. Ndị Americanazo maybe na adịghị mma bụ ESN securities. Or any other thing. And then any person on metotra. I jima ndị Igbo niile Biafrans as a whole. When I saw no bagarano. But actually, me say that these people can have protect their Igbo. Now, risking their life. that they are no longer, they are trained not to be human anymore. They are trained to be war angels. They are trained to be battle angels. How do you think is it can they? How do you think why was go to has I think? Because they are trained to stay guided. Ele ihe bụ mmadụ stay guided. Mmadụ stay guided bụ if anything ọbụla ga-anọchi egosi iwepụ ya. And ihe ga-ejem ihe ga-eme onwe gị bụ ugwu ị ga-akpa ihe onwe gị bụ anwakwara nwa gaa ije ga-emegide njem ha. Anwakwara nwa gaa ije ha nyere na iwu si emepele. Because ime ihe you are automatically a threat to them. A threat to survive. A threat to succeed in their mission. Anwakwara nwa you see that you cannot keep their oaths and you cannot maintain their rules. Don't ever go to join them. If you join them and you open join ya mistakenly, they will go against you. Amamu ne wotre ben naga. Ndị na echezi echiche ka isi eche. Ndị na ekele nugo ha, mmụọ ha ma n'obi ha na echiche ha niile. Right now had very critical in thinking. Even your greetings, they will think about your greetings. Even the face ijiri we kele ha ekele ha ga-eche ya eche. Even for the fact na ịpụtacha ha n'ụzọ sef ha ga-eche why. Because they are now instructed and trained to stay guided without loose guarding. Because every slight mistake had loose guarding might take their life. So no matter kindly respect yourself. Kindly respect yourself because so risking their life only for you to live to enjoy their struggle. They sacrifice the one they don't have any guarantee that they might even see the Biafra. But they will succeed to see the Biafra only by the grace of Chukwokike. But as a soldier, you are not going to sign to become a soldier, hoping that there is a guarantee you will survive. It is 50-50. No matter if ESN security has everything, he can't form one. You will survive it. Like most of people, some of them cause Sharioma. Some of them cause Sharioma. Good easy. I'm sorry, not that any of your family but a victim. But please, first of all, understand what these people stand for. They are soldiers. They are fighting for freedom. They are fighting for freedom. Don't expect them to be 100% perfect. But what are soldiers? Soldiers, even soldiers, oh God, what are the what is the purpose of gun? It's to kill. Now, what depends is it killing or be using that in the job? Or are you using your own to fight your own people? Are you using it the right way or illegally? Because but our brothers in the Udo-Ga-Achi and here, I still respect the fact that protect our labor. I still respect that. But because onye okwe grana data ego ya chejie. Onye okwe grana data ego ya chejie. Una fugo ihe mere n'osumo. Una fugo ihe mere n'osumo. Nke ga-abụ example igwu unu that na ndị nọ na luso dog awuri anu mmadụ dịka unu. These people, what I want you people to know, first of all, ụmụnna anyị ndị agụ na chemba ebubago na the rest. Ọ bụrụ sị na unu masị na aka unu na obi unu dị ọcha n'ihe unu na-eme dịka ihe unu kwuru na this video. Ọ bụrụ sị na unu masị na obi unu dị ọcha and na ihe unu na-eme na obi unu dị ọcha that you people are doing the right thing n'ala Igbo. Na unu na-emere ndị Igbo ihe dị mma. Unu masị na unu megara ndị Igbo ihe dị mma. Na otu ihe ka m chọrọ ka unu mee. So otu ihe ka m chọrọ ka unu mee. Ana m asị unu akọntinu ihe unu na-eme or ịbụrụ unu mba enwe the right to ịbụrụ unu mba. And then I know I'm in any position ịgwa unu ihe unu ga-eme. But I just want clear conscience fears nothing. But actually, all of them make sure see that not on the right path. Don't begin that you are right on this thing in mega. Now more accept true. Now we see that you are confusing your own, like you are confusing yourself. Trying to make sense out of nothing. Trying to prove right out of wrong. ịghọtara unu masị that na ihe unu na-eme not the right na unu na-emere ala Igbo ezigbote ihe dị mma for true. Achọrọ m ka unu weta ọjị gbara ụzọ anọ ma ọ bụ ị gara afọ ọjị wetara m akwa Igbo iweta akwa Igbo ohu pụta n'ala Igbo na alaba anyị ịzọdoro ụkwụ pụta na alaba anyị ịzọdoro ụkwụ ị na-ede ga na mgbaka anọ ị na-ede ga na mgbaka atọ bete pụta ịgwe vidio nọ na mbara ezi gị pụta were akwa ahụ elu n'anyanwụ ụtụtụ were akwa ahụ elu n'anyanwụ ụtụtụ achọrọ ka ikwu okwu si Chukwu okike abịa ma kpọkwuo anị ala Igbo na-azọdo ụkwụ were ya arụ ọrụ ị na-arụ kpọkwuo ya si ha si dat na ọ bụrụ si dat na ihe ị na-eme na ndị ị na-eso na ọrụ unu na-arụ na ọ bụ ihe dị mma ama m na-aghọta ihe na-ekwu na ọ bụ ihe dị mma ka unu na-eme na unu na-emere ndị Igbo ihe dị mma for you ka ihe unu na-eme ka ọ gaziere unu mana ọ bụrụ si dat na njem a sekuriti usi unu na join isi na activities unu niile na ihe unu na-eme ma ndị na-akwado unu and the purpose eji create unu out of unfortunately not like from the beginning that this is something right to create even before the creation of ESN. Not like it is rightfully, but what due to ESN apụtara then unfortunately or those had unfortunate he create his own, he use his own as a tool, as an instrument he fight ESN. Then no bro say that in ihe unu na-eme like I said you will akwa helu no bro say in ihe unu na-eme activities unu niile and everything no we hear them ọgaziere unu. But no bro say activities unu and the purpose they create unu and the sponsor then sponsor unu and activities unu niile na Igbo. No mean to do anything good for the Igbo people. Kono gra succeed in Niger. In short, okay, gradendo in the next 1 month. You must see that you can make this thing, and your conscience is telling you the truth that you are doing the right thing as a member of Ebubago and Udo-Ga-Achi, Agune Chamber and the rest. Actually, made this thing. Then, if you succeed it, in short, all person who need to make this thing, all who need to make this thing from now to the end of next 2 months. Ono succeed there, potano na video in public. Otu ono sere ga no sumogu. Potano in public in video. Potano tell me video. Ujidosia na kwa onye obula. Jidosia na kwa naka me this video. Me nkubi oku. Ma wonye ji oso ya jido onye ji oji gbara ano ya jido oji gbara ano. Because all the president ke ori afọ na nkwo. Ya jido oji gbara ano. Potano na video. Me potano na n'ihu akwụkwọ. Me no this declaration. Then you know, from now to next 2 months, no survive ya. Mwa ne ko mpota ko ku be make the movement onu before. But mpota kwa after no mention here, mwa mpota ko make the movement onu. No soro no mem. And I will never try it again. When we make this thing include succeed here, I will never ever, I have never, and I will never come out. Kwoku mo you na advice as omunnem mo bo kwoku pasra activity usonu. I will never try it. Because if you don't from na gwa no ku na, and me base wota kwa no bi. I'm the one now controlling it, not for you to see it. Mmamu begezi buta akwa n'obi n'ihe na-eme ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo ele ihe mega ya live anyị na-ejenu. Ndị Igbo live anyị na-ejenu. What is happening to us? Ihe ọ bụ ihe mere eme, ihe ọ bụ ihe agwụrụ agwụ. Ihe ọ bụ cause ka ọ bụ gịnị? Ndị Igbo ndị Yoruba achigboro na ịnọchi. Ndị Hausa achigboro na ịnọchi. Fulani achigboro na ịnọchi. What are we doing? I believe from na anyị kọ mmụọ na ọgbọ ọfụfụ. Ndị Igbo right from ekumeku dance. Igbo mgbe ọbụla ịfụrụ ndị Igbo gbakọtara egwu na-adị n'ebe ndị iro dị. And then there, can go in here I copy. Ndi Rai sitere from Omunai, our governor in the politics. Has it from them where matter how to capture Ndibo. Number 1, from ego. And this very something must stop. Right from beginning, Nigeria didn't go where Ndibo. Here we have bad blood. Here we mixture of evil blood with Ndibo here. Right from ekumeku dance our ancestors mgbe ha gụrụ gwulo otu obi ọ bụrụ si dot na ihe bụ iri ngo gbasara ego na sabo because of ego no dey make ọ carry me that time a carry dị na ya that time a carry no see that social group na create social group me ejiri megide ekumeku dance na create social securities ejiri megide ekumeku dance but because na when anything popular like this in that time ihe abụọ ihe ji mara ndị Igbo and ọ bụrụ na see that ego the love of money we ihe ji mara ndị Igbo you have to stop it from today or else mmụọ dị n'ala Igbo ga-eme gị ihe. Ihe bụ evil blood, bad mixture of blood. Alọtasịrị n'ala Igbo site n'ụmụ nwaanyị ndị alụtara alụta. Ihe bụ bad mixture of blood batasịrị. Ihe bụ bad mixture of blood batasịrị amụta. Mbe a ka m gwasị gị ihe the tactics ndị ejizi wee enweta ndị Igbo na. Ọkwa ịma ihe ndị British ji wee nweta Africa in slave. In Haji went Africa in slave Christianity. And now, Fulani is a law. For that in here, in what when I boy here was rock waka, and a boy here was battle. They cannot penetrate, they cannot succeed. Do you know what they have started to do now? I believe that most of you have seen it on social media. It's circulated like it's circulated on social media, and they believe from none of you. Some of our brothers support now say that we are Igbo Muslims. Hana Ghana no good state, Hana Ghana Nambra state, Hana Ghana the state. Apatana lehele. Nde you to not that side, get what I'm missing, check as I'm there, in short to make that's Hana Kuku. Teach you his one lesson. I want it. And it's collecting on social media where many Chris. But before you could know it in a bad and don't and don't have a bosom with wine, and then my and around with it. You would any here was a religion, eh? I convince you. Abraham gave us a gawa now, you wanted the heart of wine. Because how would the heart of wine? Or women on wine over church. In 1 ministry today, 100 members, in short, 95 of wine. Now, if all these popular ministries here now today, for example, sorry, sir, but I want to use your own as an example. Evangelist Bukobi ministry, Zion ministry. Why not that church? Why say today? That church had that. Because members in that church, you do 1,999,000. And why name him a church? Both be it church or ministry. Because why you here was Chineke will. You are in Hana church. Why can you carry pastors? Then getting deceived. You understand? Then before you know it now, the tactics of religion can how we want to go the mind of our people first. We are not circulating now. Got so many places. Imagine that these people, those evangelisms, those missionaries, you don't know that those people are Fulanis. These guards, like these guards, like even how much taking a kunkum privately, they will behead you. They can behead you. Ndị furu na ebugharị isi kwara na ahụ na-akpagharị isi ala n'okporo ụzọ mana ọma ahịa nke gị chere ha na-achọ nye ha chọrọ ka ha nweta the attention of ụmụ nwaanyị and ka ha nweta the attention of people. And before you could know it, when they were possessed 50% of ndị on a low, from under. And then another tactics hatch up the US on the buy because Eddie dreamed something about it. Can you see that those people? We are Islamic people of Igbo. We are Muslim Igbos. This and that. From where? Elebos in our foundation. Elebos in our history. No anything like Muslim or Islamic faith in our history. What are we doing, our people? Now another tactic where the government teach where but he use Igbo to fight Igbos. Because they believe that when the mind of Igbos come together, they can never defeat Igbos. Now, he uses the politics. We don't want the tactics. What is the tactics? Using Igbos against Igbos. Can't we see that our enemies are trying to destroy us before they will come for the real battle? The first ogo. Hatch up that they cannot win over their France. Because they you try but na ESN that time. We thought we would be na ESN that time. Now, how much I see that with money, the Nigeria government will go. Now, Nigeria government will have funds. How much I see that with money, they can buy the mind of most of them, and that is what they are doing. Now, how does it create a group out of us to fight us? He created the group now out of us. Do you think that these people now have you don't know that this is a cause? Or you must see that here we're cause to kill on them. Here we're cause to kill on them. You can actually win this evil might against their people. For example, if you like right from the beginning, we're creating the offer. My guy before because name you wear the 200,000 naira 150,000 naira when because he just called that to one again. I won't negative. They were never in any contact, any related as broad as before. Why? What is the cause? Your governor in that position now for you. Another governor, what will be your fate? What will be your stand? What will be what? In unu masị that ihe unu na-eme not the right thing. Men go on ọfọ nkuru pụtani na public n'iru akwụkwọ go on this ọfọ go on ọfọ. Then all will succeed there in the next 2 months. In short, mapụta na on life gwa share what that onye anwakwara makwu okwu basoro again. But you know what will come next. You know what will come next. No, make this thing. You know what will come next. Ụmụnne m ele ihe ọ bụ. Ele ihe anyị na-achọ. Ọ bụ ego. Ele ike ga-esi apụta ụmụnne gị pụtasịrị ndị adị achọ okwu. Okay, before ndị na-abịa mee ndị Udo-Ga-Achi attack na that Osumogu. Enwere nwere idea na ndị ka nọ n'Osumogu. Nobody have any idea na ha ka nọ n'Osumogu. Nobody name better that na these people can no Osumogu. Nobody knows. People say that na ha pola. Among them na ha can no Osumogu with the ESN securities. Have you seen how peaceful these people are? Did you see any Osumogu, any person from Osumogu coming to Facebook, coming on video in any social media to complain that ESN are destroying them, or that ESN are destroying them or disturbing them? Apart from when Udo-Ga-Achi greba hu na-ekwu okwu ekwu rubbish ekwu nonsense. Alone na abara by your own blood. Ụmụnne gị. Mbono greba hu inwe idiri na idea self na ndị nka no de. Ịmụ onye ekwu ekwu aja anu ihe and otu mkpokwu na-anapụta onye ekwu ekwu. Ọ na-aga ebe ahụ make mouth kwuo ka o siri gbuo no balance egbe elu. Now what was the end? What was the outcome? Yes, we are brothers. But when we rọpụtara onwe gị an enemy to your brother, you have automatically turned to an enemy until you reversed. Until you what is the problem? This energy when I fight one but why not use that energy for the freedom of your people? Why not use that energy for the freedom of your people? Why can't you do it? Is it because of the amount of money that are being paid to you guys? And you not suffer this anyway and suffer, not knowing that it's your children. You might not even succeed it, and then your children will carry the cost, will suffer the cost. No matter any amount, even though 100 million a month, it will never be useful to your children. Then on the bushas in hand, Nana Hamre, Arrow Hamre, then Una Biawe, you had a bushas Alibo, de Tomadeto, Una Biawe, make it Kuyo Moon, in Namayamola, Mibro Metranision. Do you know what your generation is going to suffer from this? Do you know what your generation is going to suffer from this? Before I will send back again or Sumogu. Una must say that Nande ESN Canada. And when I know Meto, and when I know Nahane disturb, these people are very peaceful. These people are very peaceful and friendly. They are focused on their mission, on their job, to bring freedom and to protect the land until these people are being taken by them. Ya can you remember video mere mgbemboro nsiro no na ndị adi ashoku kama on the Nigeria government securities na-ebu ụzọ chọrọ okwu choje ha ọ ha na-eburu okwu n'ụka butere ha na ndị na-anụrụ nwa ha ntụrụ ha bịa ndị outụrụ ha bịa ha attack ndị na-anụrụ nwa ha ntụrụ ha bịa ha. That is the fact truth. Even the issue sum na court issue meme arrest the video no n'iru akwụkwọ Facebook can never forget. Everything is being stored and to be remembered as memory. Even your fourth generation, when they come out, they are going to see it. Evidence in full grant. What is all this, my brothers? What is all this? Eli Hegabo our gay. Eli Hegabo no our gay. Ni alo sumu negok. Osumogu no peaceful unto nde na bia. Osumogu the very peaceful unto Udo-Ga-Achi we na bia. Now what about what no Osumogu? The ESN security is not there, not peaceful. On to Udo-Ga-Achi where there. Now what am I ESN again? Okay, fella. And then you will behind the moon wine. And then the moon wine in the even though not Nigeria security. Why don't you use your brain? Knowing fully well that these are your brothers. Knowing fully well that these are your brothers. That you don't have to harm them. No matter any God that gave harm one, but you use your sense, knowing fully well that these are your brothers. Do not harm them. They came for good for you. Even though you need to go, the salary Udo-Ga-Achi or the Bubago. Then use your brain, knowing fully well that these are your brothers. Your brothers, or we hear them. So you don't even know that what you might say that in here, Nigeria government, in here, menabo. In actually menabo, na ha the first war. Now, can you use us to fight against us in order to reduce our numbers? Then, why for the little? And don't always not Udo-Ga-Achi and the back, who no the ESM, one again. had it been that no survival, do you know that Niger government against you people because you people are still Igbos? How much you know Kabukwandi? Do you know that they will not come to Islamize your country? They will not come to take your land in full. Do you know do you know that you will later turn to their enemy? Do you know that you will later become their enemy? Do you know that they will later take away that gun hanging from you as an Igbo person? And now they will now launch their Fulanis to replace this very position you were now. Do you know that they are using you as an instrument to reduce the number of your people in order for them to now bring the real soldiers of which they work with and them to collect the weapon from you and then enslave you in your own land? Don't you know that is what they are doing? Instead of calculate your see that these people are coming with different tactics, different senses and different ways in order to get us down, the Igbo race, in order to bring the Igbo race into conclusion, into an end. Yet Tinenya had the chance. And I offer Gego in our Malay in Angry. He may escape of poverty. If you escape the poverty now, what will your generation suffer? What will your generation gain? Are you creating a good legacy that your generation will be remembered with? Or are you creating a legacy that your generation will be remembered as somebody that their fathers betrayed the Biafra struggle? Udo-Ga-Achi na-eme attack when that was Roko. Like, if you see, that's not your blood happy about it. Knowing fully well that these are your brothers, they use against themselves. Oh, you can say now by Yamri. Nandiru Aniji, Aluso Mayok. Hana, nothing will happen to you. 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 Then it goes to Hiti. Oh God. Chineke na mere anya ebere. Chukwu okike abịa ma mere anya ebere. Ndị Igbo biko. Gee ntị n'ihe m na-ekwu. Ndị chọrọ use anyị against ourselves. Ndị chọrọ iji turn anyị against ourselves. Ka anyị were aka reduce our number. Since they could not achieve that, reduce our numbers through hunger. The whole economic crisis in Nigeria on our day times 2 na Igbo na Eastern region. Imama, ask yourself this question. Don't you know that he's going to revenge? He's going to avenge. Oimado. Okomene na voice note. Olike ezoshanya. Kagre matono ya kuri, but we secret discussion yana one-on-one over. Yana one-on-one share. I take everything slightly and commonly until this serious. What is all this? Ndị Igbo biko no ka iketa na n'ụra. Ndị Igbo, ndị lekwe ha na-egara n'ọnụ ụzọ ha n'ego already. Ha na-ego n'ọnụ ụzọ ha n'ego already. Lekwe ihe ọfọrọ. Chinehu na-create more securities. Chinehu. Here now the destiny. Look at how these people are now trying to shape the destiny of Igbo youths to kill themselves, to reduce them in number. First of all, have rules say that they want Igbo youths to join the Nigeria force. So that Udo-Ga-Achi, Igana Sambisa, and Igana Ilusunde Fulanisa, or Hashirin Dibo, Shija. Always also Naga Hashirin Dibo. Come on, I get this on our war front. How do you go to Naga? Can you do so? Their number. How would that attempt? For that, MOM agree to that thing. Can you use that attempt for that MOM agree to that thing? Now, heavy doses use our local government shamans, use our all this in on their position in the government. He create these securities, nobody. Why are they secreting this? Why are they creating those securities? In order to reduce our numbers, to fight ourselves, to kill ourselves. If you let the purpose they create these securities. If you let the purpose. All for ESN to destroy ESN, nothing more. And when people on Gakeme, how to destroy ESN. How create a quaggy, key fight 200 bandits. Oh, I say, then nobody that in the bandit may operate in a social community. Hagasiga, they'll never tell you to go. Listen to it in a concrete community.
Yes, today being June 26, being Friday, that the entire youth of Amandoba and the squad of Isu, I know a guy more here. He might be sure now, but I want Amandoba Deceptive because when you go to Deceptive now, on the land of Funani or Kariala. So that being June 26, being Friday, kind of a move. So I go over the onion, Yana son of I go for the Swayke in a better, the Swayke, Kablik, Swayke, ike dịka anyị na-apụ ije a ịnọ na-ekpere anyị ekpere anwakwụla anwa ṅụọ mkpụrụ mmiri ma ọ kolus ọ dịghị ka ị hapụ ịrahaf onye ọbụla ṅụrụ guzoro ma ọ kolus egide gị ịwụ let's go
ndị amandu osu ahụ bụrụ ụmụ ụmụarụ erubeghị ụmụ na unu etiwele na unu na-aga n'ime bush etu fulani si ole bata na bush osu ahụ n'unu ewere ihe unu na-ezuzukweni ya n'ime eke ahụ na-ezuzukweni ya n'ime eke ndị ntụnụ ya olesi na enweghị gwara m ya ndị ntụnụ ya na-enwere onye a na-asị na a na-abịa itinye kampụ eji achụ ndị fulani mmadụ 40 mụ na-ekwu ya ka m wepụgokwa anya kwuru na mmadụ 40 ekwefuru ihe mere n'ọsụ
ọ kwefughị hey ndị Igbo biko nụ ndị Igbo ọgbọgụ nọ n'akịrịka agwọ nọ n'akịrịka ọgbọgụ dị tight. I want ndị na-adịghị age the followers and the fans of this very idiot udele I want ndị na-adịghị ege ya ntị. Now this security is an create in our communities. I want to ask you people question. Ndị na-create una elect the purpose now. Elect the purpose now. Why no delega put akwo ihe dote? Una focus that their main purpose is create one self. Abroad to fight the bandit. Come on to fight your own fellow brothers. To reduce the number of Igbo youths. Because they know that the action of Obia na live or when they or they work. These people want to reduce our numbers. These stupid people. Money here. All person who delegate put an issue, the youth of a community, but there are four more securities, even how hunters, how form themselves to represent as securities, it protect their own community, their forest, with the lapita here in Abraham. Now how form any group, if fight the bandit, on you the here. Now what is the fate? What is the purpose? He created one. I forgot the real truth apatago. He created one. We reduce numbers, you know. Oppose itself when Hamas that you people cannot defeat the ESN. Come on, the ESN, Hamas, how powerful the ESN is. And the Hamas that when they turn you people against ESN, the ESN are going to terminate you people. You people are the target, not ESN. These people, they know that the government, they know that they cannot, even you people cannot fight the ESN, but the ESN will destroy you people. And who are the ESN destroying? You people are brothers. You people are brothers. That is what they are doing. They know that you people cannot destroy ESN. Now they want the ESN, because of how powerful they are, for them to turn against you people with anger, because you people have rebelled against them. What are you people? Why can't you use your sense? Why can't you use a common sense? Why not use a common sense? Openly join the secret join. I want you to trade wisely. Man, say that these people don't care about your life. Man, say don't fight your brother for you. Don't fight your brothers for you. Trade wisely. Be wise. Knowing fully well that you are even the target. To destroy you, to kill you is the target. Ibugi with the target. Don't lose guard. Be very, very careful. Public safety and your own personal safety is important. Be very careful. Security trainer join in here with their plan for you. You are the target though. Because they know already you cannot stop the ESN. You are the target. I'm going to be the target. Because so it's your people that will now went to join the ESN. Now the people now join the ESN. That is the reason why they want to use you people against the ESN, so that the ESN will not come against you people. Have you seen it? Have you seen the draft and the plan? And they know that even the ESN need more youth. And now the youth of which are supposed to join the ESN are now staying. They have not attempted to join yet. Now they have created you people in order to rebel against the ESN, so that the ESN, already they know that the ESN rules is that never you turn against them. No matter you are their brother or not, don't turn against them. Because when you turn against them, you are a victim. So they now create you people on time. They now make that move on time to create you people to rebel against the ESN, so that the ESN will now come against you people. The aya who not been a teaching in that government and in Biafra, niggas in the teacher you go. Niggas in the teacher then hey relax then I share yours. Because you allowed yourself to be used as a dangerous weapon to your own people. Why can't you just use a common sense? This video is long, but I know the reason why OJ did wrong. The reason why this video did it too long now. I believe you know why. And the bagwa. I wish now and the bagwa selling her game and the buy go in the buy letter. And the base with aqua. Then if you want to buy her game, go in the buy letter. And I told himself came when I gave, I showed himself came when I gave, I'll become a go in the buy letter. Eliha game in the buy. What shall we do? Eliha game. I got corner for this. Oh, Martin, you know the right. But then you go from Guarono, Niru Akuko. Go near. Let's see what will happen. Now these people are now trying to shape how much go to in the mama when it comes to make wealth, achieving wealth. How much that Igbos are well known by achieving wealth. They make the wealth achieved already. And now they don't want others to rise again. Now they are trying to shape our destiny, our career as a common securities. As a common securities. These people will try opportunities employ as government officials. I mean, as government, like apply in the government companies. These people will try any opportunities, job opportunities. These people will try any, even if it is scholarship opportunities, even if it is good economy, even if it is at least any job at all, any means to make money, to survive out their living. These people will try These people now are trying to shape our destiny and our career as to a common village security. Not even army, not even army general, not even police general, not even head of, but a common village securities. Let the opportunities over their own. Vroom, 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 vroom. Is only a one person, a very wise person. A one is out of here it can be, it may be only one wise person. Multitude may be jumping into that hole of death, calling it an opportunity. But it's only one person. I believe that only one person is going to make a turn and rethink. I believe that only one person out of these hundreds now joining these securities, one person is going to make a turn and a rethink. I'm not even expecting all of you to make a turn. But if you know what is good to you, do. If you know what is good to you, if you think what you are doing is good for you, but don't ever engage it that is you are doing it for the good of Biafrans. You are not doing it for the good, you are doing it for your own selfish personal interest. And if you believe that in not right, you are doing it for the good of the Biafrans. God not for God from God if you succeed it, then you must see him made the right. So okay, and ebere na ebe bụ Chineke na Chukwu oke abịa ma onye kere n'igwe n'ụwa ike niile dị n'ọba aka ya onye ụwa niile na-asọpụrụ onye ihe kereke onye ihe niile kereke na-akpụ isi ala wee na-enye aha sogo otuto ebi nke ndị nsọ ụgwọ na-atụ egwu ọ bụghị bụ ọtụmọkpọ ndị nsọ ji eme ọnụ ọ bụghị bụ dike na dimkpa n'agha ọ bụghị bụ ejema akara ala makara ọ bụghị bụ mmalite na ọgwụgwụ ọ bụghị bụ the god of impossibility specialist ọ bụghị bụ onye na-eme ihe siri ka ọ dị mfe ọ bụghị bụ nsọ kpọrọ ihe pụtara mma ọ bụghị mana mbido na njedebe nke ụwa ebi nke ndị nsọ onye na-akpọkọ ụtụtụ ihe abalị onye na-akwara ndị ya ụzọ onye na-ekwuru anyị ọnụ onye na-alụrụ anyị ọgụ ike dị n'ala Igbo ike nke ụwa ọ bụghị bụ ikuku ọ bụghị bụ ndụ ọ bụghị bụ ọnwụ ọ bụghị bụ ihe dị mma ọ bụghị bụ ụtụtụ ihe abalị ọ bụghị ikere n'igwe ọ bụghị ikere n'ụwa ọ dịghị chi na-amara gị aka na anyị marara obodo anyị ya wee na-efe gị n'aka ndị ụmụnna anyị wee na-efe gị n'aka wee na-asị gị ebube nke ndị nsọ gbadata take control gbadata were ọnọdụ were aka gị tụziere anyị Chineke nna tụziere anyị onye ime eluigwe nna biko tụziere anyị Chineke nna tụziere anyị ebube eluigwe tụziere anyị nna biko tụziere anyị elu ala gasawo gbadata were aka gị chia gbadata were aka gị were ọnọdụ were aka gị gozie were aka gị tụzie nna biko ana ayọ gị were aka gị chekwawa anyị were aka gị kwere anyị gbara anyị ọgụ nna biko ọ bụ gị hibere ala Igbo ọ bụ gị mara njem anyị niile ọ bụ gị ga-ama echi anyị nna ọ bụ gị mara nkwa gị niile na ngozi gị niile wee na-asị ka ngwa gị wee bịa na mpụta ihe nna biko onye isi nke eji na mkpọrọ dadi anyị na-ayọ gị nnapụta gị anyị na-ayọ gị udo gị anyị na-ayọ gị ezi nchekwa gị n'isi anyị na-ayọ gị ezi mgbapụta gị n'isi na ndị niile dadi ndị lụzugoro ndụ ha dị otu ije anyị na-ayọ gị ka idosa mkpụrụ obi ha na nchekwa ndị dị ndụ dadi n'obodo a anyị na-asị gị na biko napụta anyị n'aka ndị iro anyị ekwesịrị ka ndị iro anyị were anyị wee na-aṅụrụ mmiri na ekwesịrị ka ndị iro anyị were anyị wee mere ọmbrela anyị ji echere mmiri na biko nye anyị uche nye anyị ezi uche tụta anyị n'ụra uche ọbụla nke na-ehi ụra n'ime anyị na biko tụta anyị Chineke ka anyị mara ihe dị mma ka anyị mara ihe kwadoro anyị ka anyị mara ihe anyị na-achọ ka anyị mara ebe anyị na-eje ka anyị mara okwu ọnụ anyị wee mara ije anyị niile na ka anyị mara ife anyị na-afụ mara ihe anyị na-eche obinigwe nke ala Igbo onye ike niile dị n'ọba aka ya isi ihe nke ndụ nna emere aha na-etu gị bụ atụrụ na-adọgbu ịnyịnya ebube mbekumbe nna biko gbadata arara m nwa nyefe gị na kọpụ na mbata echekwa anyị ma mee daadị na biko ka anya mmiri ndị nke anyị na-ebe gbasara ala ya nna ka ọ bịa dajụọ ka ihe siri ike wee dị mfe ka ị wetara anyị nwere onwe n'obodo a ka ị tụgharịa obi anyị tụzie obi anyị tụgharịa obi anyị nna tụgharịa obi anyị ebe ọbụla nke agwụrụ ọgwụ ebe ọbụla nke agwụrụ ọgwụ daddy we possess the mind of our people to turn against their own people Chineke nna ọ dịghị ike ọbụla nke dị n'eluigwe nke dị n'ụwa nke dị na mmiri nke dị n'ebe ọbụla dị iche iche nke ga-eji amaghara gị n'ihi na ebelivu n'ike niile ji n'ọba aka gị and ebe ọbụla nke ha gwụrụ ọgwụ ebe ọbụla nke ha mere sham eni kọsụ ọbụla nke eji wee kọsụ ụmụnne anyị ewe na turn against ourselves Chineke nna site n'ike mgbaba anọ nke ụwa ka nji wee na-ekwubi okwu na eke ori afọ nkwo wee na-asị n'ụbọchị nke taa ana m asị ka ọ bụrụ ihe lara n'iyi ka ọ bụrụ ihe dara mba n'ụbọchị nke taa ekwubi m ewu ekwubi okwu esi otu a ka ọ ga-adị ụbọchị eke ụbọchị oru ụbọchị nkwụ n'aha ndị elu na ndị ala Chukwu ka bịa ise. Peace be still, peace be still, peace be still. Ebe nke ndị nsọ, I commit everything. Ana m enyefe ihe niile n'ọba aka gị wee na-asị gị were aka gị tụzie isi na ya bụrụ ọbụ n'ọbọdịrị gị. Dadị ụmụ Israel alụghị ọgụ bifo ha si n'ala Ijipt n'ụlọ ndị oru wepụta n'aka Fero. Dadị anyị amadị alụ, anyị amadị ekwu, anyị amadị ihe. Biko ọ bụghị ibu anyị, ọ bụghị ibu ike anyị, gbadata bịa napụta anyị. Elela anya na mmehie anyị na-adịghị ike anyị niile na amaghị eme anyị niile. Dadị anyị erughị eru. Biko were aka gị bịa napụta anyị, were aka gị bịa tụziere anyị. Were aka gị bịa tụziere anyị Chineke na onye ọbụla nke ga-eche echiche ibilite imegide anyị n'ihi eziokwu nke anyị na-ekwu. Ana m asị ihe ketala ụra ụtụtụ esi ọbụla ọ ga-eche ya esi ahụ ka ọ ga-aga eketa ụra.